Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and making the first API call. First, confirm NetWeaver release and ICF node activation. Without that, HTTP requests fail. Next, define an RFC or HTTP destination in SM59 and test connectivity. This gives you a stable endpoint. Create a dedicated service user with minimal roles, then choose OAuth for modern APIs or basic for quick tests. Once done, write a short Abap program to issue a GET to the endpoint and inspect raw response payload. You now build the request and map response fields. Create an HTTP client via CL HTTP client equals create by destination to reuse SM59 settings. Set headers like authorization and content type explicitly. For JSON payloads, serialize with /UI2/CL JSON. For XML, use call transformation or XML libraries. Send post or patch as required. Then check response status code and reason phrase. Once you receive data, parse into typed structures or internal tables and map fields to domain objects so business logic consumes. You complete the flow by finalizing error handling, security, and testing. Wrap external calls in retry logic with exponential backoff and ensure idempotency using unique request ID or e-tags. This prevents duplicate processing. Securely store and refresh access tokens, rotate credentials, and use HTTPS with proper cipher suites. Finally, create integration tests and run them in a non-productive system. If things fail, capture SD22 dumps, SLG1 application logs, and HTTP traces, and use core.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.